Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're gonna continue working on Volkswagen Jetta that I'm trying to present to my sister. Every time I'm saying present, it's like I understand in my head it's gonna be like 3 or 4 more presents. So it's like one, another, third, and fourth. The guys, you're gonna see it. We have a good news today. You can see this frame is empty. I moved the box and installed it on the Ford. Now it's multiple projects going at once, and it's really good feeling because you feel something start moving around finally. It's like not just sitting and one vehicle being worked on. Now things start moving slowly. Sister is helping me out, so that's a big plus. With that being said, that means I can install the Jetta on the frame. So what I need to do is install the battery in it, get this Jetta under this hoist, and then lift it up and get the frame machine under the hoist also. So it should be a fun project. We're gonna start doing some pulls. Not a whole lot of pulls gonna be there, but there will be some pulls. So let's begin this episode by starting this vehicle. Finally, this Jetta is on the frame rack. So now you can see the height is actually perfect to work. So you get this hood off, you put the tower here, chain, pulled it out. So simple. That's the only biggest damage over here. The rest of the damage just replace. Except couple quarter panels dings and here and there. It's not bad. Yes, the whole car needs to be painted, but it's not bad, believe me. So now we need to push this vehicle inside the garage in that bay, but I have a cab over here and I have a BMW over here. So I'm thinking I'm gonna back it up on the BMW, repark it, and we're gonna push this vehicle over there. But man, it's gonna be tight. It's gonna be super tight over there. Let's do that right quick, park it, and probably call it a day, because it's late. What time is it? What, 9 already?
Probably 8:30.
8:20. 8:20, so that's good. Let's move it. To move this vehicle, I have to pull the battery off of here. Anyway, we're gonna mess around, repair cars, and gonna continue tomorrow. Come on. So, what I need to do with it, I need to pull out this corner over here and replace some of the sections. So I can prepare the BMW roof over here and can paint it. So I can finish with the roof completely. I can install the sunroof and other stuff, and interior is gonna be kinda complete inside. And then I'm gonna start preparing everything for the painting. But Every paint booth right now super busy. All the people booked up on all of the paint booths, and I need a paint booth at least for 2 days because there's gonna be 2 different times that I have to paint it. So the body and the bumper is gonna be first as one piece, and then all the small stuff, miscellaneous stuff, needs to be painted. So, and in order to do that, I need to get rid of this vehicle off of here. And also my sister coming back to college, she needs a car. She have to get to school, right? So this needs to be done. So I'll fix this corner right here. And while I'm gonna be working on BMW, they're gonna be preparing some stuff over here, sanding, and do some stuff that they can without me looking at them. So first things first, let's dive in over here, disassemble whatever I need, prepare, and do some pulls, see where I'm gonna end up with. In order for me to start do pulls on this car, I need to get this tower off of here. Wow, that's gonna be a challenge. That's it, I'm ready. Everything is here and ready. Chain, another chain. Also need to get this clamp off of here, so I'm gonna be working with this clamp. And now let's get the hood off finally. Get this, what is it, 13 probably. Get this hood off and let's get the stuff out of the way and let's start pulling. There you go, guys, completely prepared everything over here. Now I need to take this motor mount out, but before I do that I need to put something under the motor so the motor rests on it and it's not just hanging on 2 motor mounts, actually training mount and the motor mount behind there. And after that we're gonna start pulling. So let's get the motor mount out and see how can I save this, or if I need to replace piece of it. We'll see. We're gonna do some pulls. See, I got it out as best as I can right now. Everything looks like back in place. This needs more work on it. This kind of needs to go a little lower. This slightly higher. This needs to be replaced, and part of this needs to be replaced. Let's go to the Porsche Jetta. Drill out the bracket and drill out the other side of the same piece. Probably from here. Outside piece and the bracket, and after that come here, get this bracket off, trim it out, see how everything looks, and do maybe a couple adjustments, and then prepare everything for welding. Make sure everything lines up, attach everything. If everything is good, weld it, grind it, prime it. I mean, usual stuff. So now let's go get those parts drilled out from other vehicles. So guys, as you can see, everything actually fits pretty good. I did already measurements, crisscross, top and bottom, level, everything is perfect. Everything fits good, just packed it. And over here, I'm just gonna cut it here, like so, drill this out and weld it here and weld this one here. Again, so I don't get too close to V number, because I have to paint it here. Over here everything looks good, pretty nice. So I went ahead also and straightened this out. Now I'm gonna get these bolts off. And also over here you can see this is a complete radiator support, core support with all the radiators I see and everything in here. All I have to do is just plug in. Oh wow, that's bad. They won't bite me, you know. So yeah, ready. And this is also gonna tell me how everything fits here. So let's get this reinforcement off, test fit it, see if everything is good. Then I'm gonna take everything off, trim off, clean it, and weld it everything back together. So Mike, ready? Okay, let's do this. That's it, everything looks good. Everything lines up pretty nicely. You can see lines up over here and also slightly, kinda, but everything's still adjustable. There's tons of play here. There's still tons of play here. So I wanted to make sure everything lines up, so, and everything is. So now I'm gonna take this off. Take all of this, grind it inside, outside a little, prepared everything, and I'm gonna be ready to weld. So let's get this stuff done and get everything ready for welding. That's it, finally done with the welding and also with the grinding. that's it. I'm completely ready to sand everything and basically paint it. Maybe throw primer a couple spots, you know, like quicker off of those cans over there. Anyway, so that's it. Everything back in place, welded pretty good, looking good. Everything went smoothly. Everything goes the way it's supposed to go, right? So that's it for this episode, guys. I did as much that I can. So next episode, I'm gonna prepare this for painting. Actually, I'm gonna prepare it, prime it, the area, some areas, and then primer gonna cure, of course. I sand it and paint it. So that's gonna be next episode. Plus, we're gonna start test fitting probably parts and some other stuff. This vehicle needs to be done fast as possible, because she have to go back to college, actually university. So she needs a vehicle. That'd be it, guys. Thank you for stopping by. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to see inside scoop before YouTube, make sure you follow Instagram at Salvagemasterv. Thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you next one.